Hello, little yogis. Welcome back to Sweet Daisy Yoga. Today we are going on an animal adventure. We will stretch, breathe, roar, and relax together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Yoga for Animal Fun Pose. Let's get your mat. Cat Pose. Marjaryasana. Come onto your hands and knees. Round your back up high like a little kit. Inhale, exhale. That's one. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Soft meow. Great job. Cow pose. Bidalisana. Drop your tummy down. Lift your head and smile like a exhale. Slow breath. 3, 4, 5, move. Beautiful stretch. Lion pose. Simhasana. Sit tall, hands on your knees. Big breath in, stick out your tongue, roar. 1, again, big breath in, roar. 2, one more time, roar. 3, amazing lions. Cobra Pose. Bhujangasana. Lie on your tummy. Press your hands down, lift your chest like a strong snake. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hiss softly. Butterfly pose. Baddha Konasana. Sit tall, bring your feet together. Flap your wings. 1, 2, 3. For 5.6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful butterflies. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukhasvanasana. Hands down, lift your hips high. Make an upside down V shape. Slow breath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, woof woof. Frog pose. Manjokasana. Bend your knees. Come low like a frog. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3. For 5, ribbit, ribbit. Puppy pose. Utana Shishosana. Stretch your arms forward, chest melts down. Breath 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Good puppy stretch. Rabbit pose. Sasangasana. Sit back, curl your body small like a bunny. Slow breath 1, 2, 3, 4.5, hop hop. Child's pose. Balasana. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time at Sweet Daisy Yoga.